I'm Miss Lisa. Welcome to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And today for our word of the week. Our word today is solitude. Solitude is a state or situation of being alone, often in a peaceful or quiet manner. It can be a time to relax, think, enjoy being by yourself. So usually when we think of solitude, we think of someone being alone at a spa, in the woods, but in any event, you are by yourself, generally trying to relax. An example, after a hectic week at work, she spent the weekend in solitude in a cabin. So she was alone, by herself, in peace. Solitude. Some synonyms for solitude are seclusion, isolation, and aloneness. Remember, synonyms mean the same thing. Some antonyms or opposites of solitude would be socialization, crowd, and companionship. All right, that's it for our word of the week. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one.